nation. I saw them could approve new medication. Make singers get some inspiration. I saw them could have spread your message from the land your chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Give them the earth and they put the ganja. Babylon come and light it up like fire me chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Give them the earth and they put the ganja. Babylon come, watch it. Come and say ganja, 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 ganja. If you don't want to call it, I call it sound familiar. If you don't want to call it, I call it wrong. in a Japan, but chronics can't do it alone. So I'm recruiting soldiers coming from near and far. I choose executing. Celestia works and the left of far right through. And them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Send by the Savior, welcome to Rasta. I wanna start me now, so just for Celestia in the army. Where would I be without my mama? Oh, me love you, there's nothing I put up of you. No house, not a girl, not a car. Stand firm in my life, not no budget. From a bar, me and you a bar. Movie on my princess, movie on my dad. First lady in my life, I heard of me understand. Special dedication to the little man. From your love, your mama make me see you on. So so long for your mama, lighter for your mama. Selector you wake up, pull up the one you for your mama. Parole for your mama, sing loud for your mama. Yeah, I make you know you happy, she bring you come here. From your heart, tell me see this man. From your love, your mama like this man. There's no one like my mama now, no. Mama never had it easy at times. Many days I don't know how we survive. She said, no, we have not cause of mama's teachings. And in the scripture she says I believes in real thing. If I never mama, I wouldn't believe it. So long for your mama, lighter for your mama. Selector you better pull up the one for your mama. Parole for your mama, sing loud for your mama. I make you know you're happy, she bring you from your heart. From your heart, help me see this one. From your love, mama like this man. There's no one like hurry up and come back, was the last thing she said to her son. The day his life was taken, she didn't know he would come back. He died from the bullet of a gun. And now our little boy is gone. Lord, help me. As you look into the sky, as you close your eyes, when you cry, when you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along. I'm a little homeless. I begged them when he was two. So the street side kids and the shopping mall was a family he knew. It's not easy being homeless. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. And he didn't have a mom or dad to help him get through. He said, help me, Father, help me. And he looked up to the sky, and he heard the voice reply. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. Pretty once again. Sweet mama, this time you deserve me for that son. So nice to meet you, could you tell me where you're from? Never seen a girl like you, you're hotter than his son. Hotter than his son, girl, you're hotter than his son. Me and you together in the island having fun. Already in fruits of sweet coconut rum. Imagine the vibe, but I want to be the I wanna give you my love, give you my love, give you my love. I wanna give you my love, give you my love, all of my love. Sweet, sweet,
Thank you so much, DJ Law. Thank you so much, everybody. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Moments from now, we are going to have our draws for the Kabalega Elite second edition. But before I take you to that far, I want to welcome everybody who is here. This is a national event. This is a national event. I want to say we are very happy to welcome you all the way from Kabale, Arua, Gulu, and name it. We are going to have our draws. We have come all the way. We have come from far, but moments from now, we are going to have the draws here. I want to inform you that from the Department of Welfare, we are already prepared to give you the best. We have Nyama Choma. We are going to give you, if by the way it is being served even before the time. We are going to give you the best. We are going to give you the eats, but the drinks will be from your own. The drinks are from your own pocket, but the choma, it's ours. As we wait for more teams to arrive, by the way, some teams have already arrived. Come on, representative, can I see you put up your hand? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, representative from Kabale. Stand up for recognition. Oh, wow, he's here. Thank you so much. Yes, representatives from the complex Hoima. They are here. Thank you so much. So, we are here with a lot of vibe. So, moments from now, we are going to conduct the exercise. But before that, you can interact. And I will tell you when we are going to conduct the exercise. But from now, enjoy, eat the little, and drink the little that you have. But a lot is coming from. Hey, Katema! Wave to the crowd. Katema is here. St. George Clinic, Katema. Can you put up your hand? Katema is here. Thank you so much for coming. So, gentlemen, all the presidents have arrived. Kaseva, all the way from Port Clinic. I can assure you, we love you. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much, thank you so much. Moments from now, and the moment we have a good representation, we shall go on with the pros. Après Doka, you just come here. Après Doka, the man in charge of the pitch manager is here. Representative from Kinobi Complex, Isha, can you come forward? Isha, come. Isha. Isha. This is the man from Kinobi Complex. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for bringing the team to the elite competition. You can have a seat. Yes, right. Representative from Bugiri Corporate Club, I want you here. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, join your hands together for Bugiri Corporate. He's here. Thank you so much for coming. We love you so much. Any other? Oh, City Giants! My brother Kayanja, Nelson Mayor, is here to represent from City Giants. City Giants, hey, okay, thank you so much. We don't want you to be dwarfed tomorrow. You are Giants, but you might become dwarfed tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much. City Katonaka, Kayanja, thank you so much. Media, do we have any representative from the media? What my media? Do we have any representative? He's here, Captain Chief. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, your hands together for media. Where my media? Captain Chief is also here. Thank you so much, man. We love you so much. Yes. Nyamachoma is almost getting. It's ready. Waiting for the time to start. Aha. Katerega, thank you so much. Katerega is already doing it. Is serving. This is goat muchomo. Don't worry. Muslims, we are serving goat muchomo. We are serving goat muchomo. Nothing else. Katerega, nothing else. Yes.
If I say goodnight to you, won't you say goodnight to me? If I say I love you, baby, won't you say you love me too? Yeah.
I want to come back good night, baby. Remember good night now, eh. Don't go come back, I love you. Going to love me now, eh. Yeah. Akasisi kanuma, onkuba kasale kumutima. Uya kubanga kisa tikutama, katate bebe mwana wacho na kanyetima. Uwe kukubila simu, ati nguma. Na kudata na kumisyo wacho muna. Memories in your tears of one like a so you could put up your phone, but the day was the same one. When I come back to Guadalajara, it all day they will remember. Nakusanga mukwatete, don't talk about the second train. If we am ponyas in a pain, never say well, but in your bed. Would you pick up the phone? Rudy, Doctor, why can't this is cool? Nobody must. just like you win the lottery. Who know we set up shop, choose and set up shop, Spain and set up shop, Spain and set up shop, Simon set up shop, Ranspen set up shop. Yes, the show a man and power man, them get together and a million and set up shop. Great chin set up shop, rich chin set up shop, this road set up, and the Hillman set up shop, Stone set up shop. Yes, and the villa story and a yes. And you could have built me outlaws and me outlaw on them. Roots and commodities we have in this time. Work and nice to go in and jump back. Still a spend money from a man and sell wax.
Can't put no money in your bank. Can't put no gas in your tank. Can't satisfy you with the lip. Nothing with him and do not make sense. You know when come up close like him a boss. Every minute that you with him is a loss. If all you get is stress and the abuse, then they be the better man when you can choose. Then what's the use? If he can't make you happy and him still can't be you and you, then what's the use? If you let me shape my girl, you need a substitute. Cause it not no use. Me know you can do what you like, and you're tired of the other excuse. So just use me, baby. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, join your hands to welcome the Busia corporate representative. Can we have him stand up? Busia, BCC, can you put up your hand for recognition? Stand up for recognition. He's here, the man in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Aha. He is the General Secretary and he is by name Kingdom. Once again, Kingdom, stand up for recognition. Kingdom! Thank you so much. I love Busia.
How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Let's explore. How deep is your love? How deep does it go? Does mine run down to the ocean floor? How deep is your love?
DJ Lo. Uganda Coping Society representative is here. Ladies and gentlemen, join your hands together for her. And you are called who? Mildred Kondeze in the house. Thank you so much. You can take a seat, eat mochomo, and we are going for the doors soon. Thank you so much for coming. DJ Lo. Representative from where? gentlemen, thank you so much. We love you, Team Pombe. Without you, we can't survive. I love you, people from Pombe. Can you say anything?
We are here and we are as Team Pombe. Get ready for tomorrow. You're gonna see the vibe!
Oh, thank you so much! Ladies and gentlemen, Pombe is represented. Do what you know best. Now, I want to take my photo man, wherever every team is seated. He will come to you. Wherever every representative of the team in the corporate tournament is sitting, we shall come to you. And this is what we are going to do. You put up your hand, and the photo man comes to you. Can we now? Where are you? To put up your hand and we'll come to you. Team where? Team. Can I have the list? Can I have the list? Give me the list. Give me the list. DJ, Cuthbert, give me that list. Give me that list so that I can go through. Okay, DJ, meanwhile, be playing some music. Those already here. For those who want to wash your hands, just at the entrance there, you can wash your hands there. Before you eat something, you wash your hands there, at the entrance there. Thank you so much. DJ, you there? Thank you so much, DJ Lo. I now want to call upon members who are here to come forward for the recognition and the photoshopping. Hoima Elias team, Woolen, are you here? Team, yeah, come forward, come on, come forward, come forward. Team Hoima Elias, Woolen, representative team Hoima Elias, Woolen, are you here? Can I see you here forward here? Team Elias, Woolen. I want the representative from team. Please take time. Followed by City Giants, Hoima. City Giants, can we have a representative? Where are you? Yes, this is the representative from no. We have Hoima Elias team, Woolen, represented by Marvin. City Giants, Hoima, my brother here, Nelson. Mwenge Giants, are you here? Come forward. Thank you so much. And he comes. Do we have any representative team? Happy Men? Are they happy? Happy Men! Come forward. They're here. Do we have any representative from Sports 24/7 Hoima? Sports 24, are you here? Sports 24, are you here? Come forward. Sports 24, you are here? He is here, he is here. Are you here? I can't see him. Pick it up. Sports 24 is here. He's here with me. Uganda Olympic Society, I saw her. Is she here? Come forward. Then we shall have the corporates Hoima. The corporates, are you here? They are here. Represented by Priest the Great. Priest Doka, not the Great, Priest Doka. Do we have anybody from Alliance Pharmacy Hoima? Alan's home, Allah's Pharmacy. You are here. Okay. Gulu Soka Legends. Gulu Soka Legends. Are they here? What about Basel Pro Ballet? Are they here already? They are not. Do we have representative from Arugongo Legends of Chenjojo? On their way. Do we have anybody from Kinubi Corporate? I saw him. Isha. Isha is here. Move forward. Anybody from Bushia? BCC, I saw him. Bushia Corporate Club. Come forward. Police Airlines Club, Kampala. Are they here? Are they here? They are not. Team de la Primaire, Kiliandongo. Are they here? They are not. Kiliandongo Hopes, they are not yet here. Kitala FC Legends Hoima. Are they here? Yes, yes. Can you come forward, bro? St. George Clinic. Kateva is here. Kateva, can you come and present your group? How about Hoima Media? Hoima Media team. I saw Jeff here. Jeff, come forward. Thank you so much. Do we have anybody from Cafe Milano Hoima? Cafe Milano. Cafe Milano, are they here? They are not here. Cafe Milano, where are they? Yes, thank you so much. And then the Gangsters of Friends Forever. Are they here? Come forward. Thank you so much. Do we have anybody from Kakati Complex team? Kakati, are they here? Kakati Complex, are they here? How about Tororo Complex Club? Tororo, are they here? If they're not here, let me move forward. Machine Complex, are you here? Photo Supervisor, are you here? Team Pombe, Photo. Pombe. I saw them here. Yes, can we have them coming forward? The legends of FC Chris Cabaret, they were in photo by 5. Are they here? Hey! Yes, thank you so much! I love you guys. The legend of Chris Cabaret are here. Ex-internationals, well, are they here? They are not. Avengers Legends Kampala, are they here? Bomber FC Management Machine, are they here? Who is that representative? Come forward. Thank you so much. Hamad is here. Thank you so much. Oh, I told this lady. This is my student. Thank you so much for coming. Do we have anybody from Police Club Kampala? Are they here? They are not. Team the Corpus Wakiundani. Are they here also? Let them come forward. Wakiundani. Bukini Corpus Club. Buchi, are you here? They are not. Kings of the Turf. Kings of the Turf Kampala, are they here? They are not. Lobeto Primary Schools, Hoima, are they here? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lobeto is here. Now we are going to conduct our draws. We wanted to know who is here and who is not. Thank you so much for now. Before you go away, any team which has not had any bite, my colleague is here for welfare. Can you talk to him to have a bite? If you have not gotten a bite, he's here. Mavro, Council Marvin, give them what to eat. Thank you so much. So, moment from now, we are going to call you for the draws. Thank you so much for coming. Can I see? Thank you so much. Dijalo. If you are here and you have not gotten a bite from our kitchen, contact Marvin. He's here. Welfare deputy is here to give you what to eat. But we said the drink will be from your own. But we have enough to give you Muchomo. Thank you so much for coming. DJ, do what you know best, and I will give you marks for that. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to inform you that we are live. Whatever we are doing here is live. You can share to those guys traveling to come to Hoima. We are live on the Kabalega Airline Tournament, and we are going to that group, Kabalega Airline Group. We are even going to provide a link. Yes, we are going to provide a link for those who are traveling to view and enjoy the draws here as they move. Yes, so we have a group for this tournament. Yes, we have a group for this tournament, Kabalega Ole tournament. So, if you're here, you can share with those who are coming to Oima. So they will be with us here as we open the doors. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and I hope you're all having a good time tonight. My name is Raymond, and I'm here to welcome you to the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament. It's a good thing seeing everybody here, happy, and looking forward to the draws. Now, as we get started, I know that many of our colleagues have remained back, so I want to let you know that we are live on Kitara TV YouTube channel. We are live. So this is how you stream. If this is how you let your friends stream. Tell them to go to their YouTube and search Kitara TV. They will get us live. Kitara TV, the only YouTube channel with the name Kitara TV. They will be able to stream us live tonight and get to see whatever is happening on this screen right here. Now the screen here has our groups, and by the time we leave this place, these groups are going to be populated with our teams. Okay? By the time we leave this place, these teams will be populated, and you'll be knowing who you're going to play against as we advance and get to know the winner. The defending champion of the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament, I want to welcome you all, the team from Fort Portal St. George's Clinic. Good to see you. Good to see you. It's always a pleasure seeing you wherever we go all over the country. Now, in dakika Talihara from now, in a few minutes from now, we're going to be started with everything here. But at the moment, I just want to let you know that Cats Lounge has given us the opportunity to enjoy the ambience and the beauty here. So all you have to do is call out a waitress, ask them to bring you a drink of your choice. And the nyama is still there. If you haven't had nyama, oh, Happy Men. Good to see you. Pleasure seeing you. Now, Happy Men are self-proclaimed kings of the nightlife. We're here to see that. We want to see that, yeah. Now, in the meantime, Cats Lounge still has nyama, still has chicken. There's everything there. There's also beer, everything that you want. All you have to do is call up a waitress and let them serve you. DJ, take it away. Shall we? Okay, DJ, just a moment, DJ. Now, on the WhatsApp group of the tournament, Kabalega Elite National Tournament, there is a link to this. There's a whole link to this. There's a whole link to this channel. A whole link to this streaming here, so you can share with your friends, so they can follow the event live. Okay. I see there are quite a number of people watching. So all you have to do is share this. If you're not on the group, talk to someone on the group to share it with you. Every team is represented on the group. DJ, take it away.
Oh my God, she be viper. She back down, she a fighter. She a very different girl. She a belly dancer. Just like that. She did my phone, she don't do my bad. She don't do move, she don't do one bad. I like that. She got me like she the cause for all of area. Someone come save me from me like that. Save me from me like that.
just know, let me holler at you. Let me holler at you for a minute. You just know. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to the Kabalega Elites National Corporate Tournament. My name is Raymond Mugume and I'm going to be the program controller tonight. And I really want to thank Dash Master that has been with us from the time we started. And he's done us a good job welcoming everybody that has turned up tonight. Now, the Kabalega Elites National Corporate Tournament has been put together by Hoima Elites Football Club with support from Total Energies EP Uganda, Cats Lounge, Spice FM, Hoima Buffalo Hotel, City Medicals, Uganda Breweries, Safeway Right Way, Rowan's Down Syndrome Awareness Center, Mika Eco Resort Hotel, Arrows Bar, Albertine Purified Natural Mineral Water, Cafe Milano, K Royal, Dummy Graphics, and quite a number of other people that have worked with us. Now, the gentlemen that are sitting right before us here are the people that have been at the forefront of putting this whole tournament together. So, before we get started with the event, allow me play you a video on the projector right there. The people that are not seeing the projector, let's focus our faces right there so that we can see an opener for these draws.
The Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament was a concept developed by Hoima Elite Football Club President Christopher Mwebasa in 2021 while on their end-of-year tour in Fort Portal. This was inspired by the background why Hoima Elite Football Club was started.
We used to meet way back in 2019, a few of us, about 5 guys. We would enjoy ourselves, both soft and hard things. We would spend a lot of money on people. Misuse our ignorance and take money. Later, we came up with an option. We opted to form like that. We said no, instead of wasting this money, instead of wasting our people, all we have to do is booklet from also risk even at 8 at time. Phone it was good. We have corporates above 20 weeks, but we've done it at 30, about 30 years. We began 5 years. Things went out and we found that we are now over 8. But we are now over 40 years.
The concept was then brought into reality in 2022, where the first edition of the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament was hosted at the Elite Arena in Luhaga, Samagi, with the theme Sports for Healthy Networks. 19 teams graced the tournament, which was highlighted with fun and glory, with St. George Clinic writing its name in the tournament's book of champions as the first team to win the tournament.
Our first ever tournament to win. We are surely very happy, and surely we can't find out the excitement.
That marked the end of the first edition, but gave birth to the second edition of the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament. The second edition comes with a cause of contributing towards traffic and road safety in the whole city, with 36 teams on board to enjoy the tournament vibe.
The objective of this edition is giving back to society through corporate social responsibility acts. And for that purpose, we shall be doing road safety awareness, and in that line we are contributing towards painting the zebra crossings around Hoima City.
The cause of the tournament brought Total Energies and Safeway right way on board as the official sponsors to support the police.
Whatever activity we do, safety is very key and it's really, really paramount. And in our area of operation, road safety is very important because we know as the activities pick up, we are going to have a number of traffic on these roads. You can see the roads are not very good and people are overspeeding and there are going to be increased cases of road traffic. So we are taking it as a very serious activity.
For this project, we are going to ensure road safety and we are going to educate and sensitize children. We are going to sensitize road users, the community, pedestrians, road taxi drivers, truck drivers, and non-other users.
The Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament, the second edition, will also provide a platform to sensitize the community about Down syndrome.
My son Roman was diagnosed with Down syndrome. That's after he was born in March 2018. I started to do research on Down syndrome. We immediately began to discover many children and adults around me that had Down syndrome. So I decided to try to bring people with Down syndrome together for mutual support and therapy, and find ways for creating awareness in the communities around Rowan and people with Down syndrome. And to tell people that Rowan and these other people with Down syndrome are not zoned, that they can have a full life just like any other person.
The organization of the second edition has all been in touch to ensure that all participating teams can have a memorable tournament. Some of the team members of the participating teams share their expectations about this year's second edition of the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament.
Hi everyone, I'm Isco Ayukista, a player with Elite Kampala 2023. Come and enjoy, come and have fun, come and party, come for the party, come and watch me do my best. If you can, women, thank you.
Hi, my name is Julius. The group has been Sports 24/7. Sports 24/7 is a WhatsApp group that discusses sports-related issues. We began the group in 2018 with the objective of creating social networks for different people who love sports. This year, we plan to participate in the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament, and we come into this tournament with the objective of creating more social networks, but also having fun and interacting with corporates from all over the country, and we hope to be there and we shall do our best to have fun.
Hello Hoima and all other corporate clubs in Uganda. This is a digital corporate club, also known as BCC, and motto football for fitness. BCC started in 2016. BCC leads and bites, and like you watch, this is our last training. just delighted and excited to be part and parcel of this second edition of Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament 2023. And we are coming to participate under our proud theme of participation to grow social capital and networks. This is coming members. Hoima, be alert.
Yo, what's up, how are you? My name is Juma Yahaya, the Kingdom. Yeah, we are preparing to come to Hoima on the 29th and 30th, we're going to be there. Meanwhile, we are planning to come and enjoy with our fellow mates, the corporates. We're coming for social networking, we're coming to make fun, we're coming to compete. At the same time, we're coming to tour Hoima City. So we're busy here training under the lights, you know? Yeah, so be prepared for us.
It's here that we take the opportunity to thank all our sponsors: Hoima Airlines FC, Mwebaza and Co Advocates, Cats Lodge, Arrows Bar, Mika Eco Resort Hotel, Cafe Milano, K Royal Courts, Garden of Eden, UBN, HB Hotel, Spice FM, Rehab, Albertine Mineral Water, Orbit Millers, City Medicals. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament, the second edition.
A big round of applause for that. Okay, in a special way, I also want to give it up to AC Events for putting quite a lot of things together on this event. Let's give them a big round of applause. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you one more time that we are streaming live on Kitara TV. How to access the link, how to access the live stream is going to YouTube and you key in Kitara TV, you get the live showing right there. Now, if you want to share with your friends and family that you've left back home, this is how to share. You go to the WhatsApp group of the tournament, there is a link there. And if you're not on the group, talk to someone on the group. Quite a number of people here on the group, so you talk to someone and get yourself the link so you can share with your friends and family that you left back home. Now, everybody that has come out here to play, to support, to sponsor, and to do everything is helping Hoima Elite Football Club push a cause. And the cause is to promote road safety and also increase awareness of Down syndrome. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me welcome our host here, the president of Hoima Elite Football Club, to welcome us officially. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christopher Mwebaza. I'm an advocate. President Hoima Elite Football Club. In a special way, I want to thank you for coming and allow me to request all team representatives and presidents, all chairpersons to stand up for recognition. Different team presidents, different team representatives, kindly stand up for recognition. A round of applause for them. Thank you for coming, thank you for honoring our invitation. Friends from different districts, we really so honored to be being around. Also allow me to thank so much the program of this. I don't know what he is, a Kiki. Kindly come around. You've done a great job for us. When I was going to Busia to play football, I promised her something. Good enough, I've seen the president Busia. Mr. Kingdom, do the necessary. I brought her this from Busia. Kindly do the necessary. Akiki, we thank you so much for being there for us, always. And indeed, we are really honored. That's what I brought for you from Busia, and that's the entire team recognizes your work towards our progress of the day. This is the oil season. Again, it's so great. You're going to see very, very many interesting things. You're going to meet serious, interesting people. Let's network. Let us be lovely. Let us be disciplined. in whatever we do. The tournament is all about networking, not so competitive. It's just being, it's all about being friends, making friends, networking, and enjoying ourselves. I know work without play makes Chris a dull boy. Members of Elite Football Club, I want to thank you for organizing. Please stand up for recognition. Members of Elite Football Club, a round of applause for them. Thank you so much. We are here for the draws. I don't want to really waste a lot of time. MC, I thank you so much and stay well in Wenyewe.
Thank you so much. Now that's our host here, the president of Hoima Elite Football Club. When he says stay well, he means mwikale na usinge. While you are here, make an effort, make an extra effort to kuikara na usinge. Stay well, stay peaceful, and stay happy. Because you know, the gentleman among us here that has been working with all effort, with whatever he could, to make sure that we kale na usinge, and also to make sure that we have extreme fun. We maximize the networking, the nyama, the beer, the everything, the girls. You know, it's all going to be an action-packed thing tomorrow. Now that gentleman has a few things to say to us. The gentleman I'm talking about is the chairman, organizing committee of this league, Mr. Ismail Kusemerwa IK, and I am inviting him to say something tonight.
Thank you, Raymond. I have two emotions. One is I want to cry, and another one is I want to laugh. Raymond, I want to thank you. Raymond is one of the people I've been working with. But entirely, one, I want to welcome you to this event. We started it long, way back a long time. And today we are here. Please, thank you and thank you and thank you for coming. But thank you for making this so much colorful. One, I want to extend my thanks to the entire team. Cuthbert, Mega, Kawa, Andrew, obviously Benz. You've been too much big. Agri. I want to recognize Agri. Agri, please come here and stand. In fact, I wanted you to be the same way you were at the field. Agri, please. Agri. Thank you, please, have a seat. Have your honorable seat. He has done us so much well. Yo. It is okay, thank you so much. Our coach, singer, our mayor, our only mayor. Thank you so much. Marvin Bunjo. Please come here. I want people to see you in that t-shirt. The leader of opposition and the drift master. Please, thank you for being there for this team. And many of us, so many of us, have been in charge of this event. Today we are here for the Kabalega Elite Corporate Tournament draws. We are making draws. Ensure that you are as attentive as possible. We want this to be very participative and very transparent for all of us. last year we had our first edition. The first edition had a number of challenges. We learned from those and we have moved on from those challenges to the new one. This year we have 37 corporate clubs that have registered for us. Please clap for us. However, the host of this tournament decided to pull out one and make an even number of 36. It was not refunded, the money was not refunded. I told my treasurer, don't refund any money. 2, from yesterday when we closed, we have received around 8 clubs that want to register more, including Total Uganda, Bell Lager. We say, please, it is high time we stop. But this has been so marvelous for us, and we are so much happy for you all. 2, I want to thank the teams that are here. In a special way, allow me to recognize City Giants. Please, the President City Giants, stand up. They were the first team to register, but they are also our child. They are also our child as Hoima Elites FC. Please, thank you so much. They are our immediate neighbors, and one of the fields that we shall be using tomorrow is given to us by them. Thank you. Now, I want to thank our sponsors. Our sponsors, Cats Lounge, Bell Lager, Reham Water, Arrows Bar, Cafe Milano, Mika Eco Resort, Total, and so many others that have given us money. Thank you, and thank you so much. Some of these things were not planned, but we have them because of these sponsors. Thank you. Now, lastly, I want to request you corporates that have come, let us make this a memorable event, a corporate event, and not entirely a competition. A corporate event and not entirely a competition. Tomorrow you're going to see me in very different colors, because if you're not corporate, I will chase you from our grounds. I am very particular about that. I am very particular about that. If you are not corporate, we shall chase you from Luhaga, Samaki, Grounds, Elite Arena. Play corporate. I want to invite one of our members, Ting, please help me. He's called Ting in our group, but he's also Walla. But Muki Sahia, he's a very old man, but not so much. He could be like 50 plus. But just look at his age. Look at him. Okay, now get someone who is young in your league, in your team, because Mukisa will be playing for Hoima Elite FC. Bring him with another young person who is 25. Okay. Bring him with another young person who is 25. Colin, Colin must be slightly younger than me, but then he's a little bit very young. Actually, I think he has started with Colin's father. That is a fact. So just imagine, Ting is playing with his son, Colin, and then Collins pushes Ting, and Ting falls down. Okay, it may not be a fall, it may not be a fall, but then the force that Colin uses is quite much extra compared to Ting's age. So, I don't know, some of us who know Euro or the Western language, imagine, please, imagine the person you're playing against and use reasonable energy, reasonable force against that person. We have instructed our referees very well that for any hard tackle, even if it is not a foul, they will give you a card for pushing that in a corporate league. 2, we have made, and this has been intentional. We have made a very big pitch. Some of you will complain that this pitch is too big. But to you, it will be a very big pitch. But it is a standard pitch for the 7-a-side in the corporate league. So you are going to find it unusual. And this corporate league is unusual. And I want to tell you this. It is very, very unusual for all of you. We have made it intentionally. It is a standard pitch for you to play your game. Pass the ball, make the runs, make the switches, avoid tackles, make the switches, pass the balls, make runs. We have made it intentional for that purpose. So, if you are a good player, you're going to be a good player on that pitch. If you are a bad player, a hard player, you're going to be a bad player. We shall see you. We will be looking for a body to handle. Thank you so much. For that purpose, tomorrow we shall also be doing a verification. Some of your teams that have not sent in verification credentials, please make sure that you send them in. You still have time. We have Nira on board. We have Fufa on board to be verified this. Yes, and this is a fact. If your name is not in response to who you are, we shall chase you. I'm telling you the truth. We have discussed with Nira. We have discussed with Fufa. So, for the interest of time, some of other things will be discussed tomorrow with team managers. Tomorrow, for the interest of time, tomorrow we are starting at exactly 8:30. And I've been particular on this on our WhatsApp group. 8:30, if your team is not at the pitch by 8:30, we give you 15 minutes for a game to start. If you have a first game. After here, after the cross, the groups will be made and the teams, the games, the fixture will be made. So if your team is not at the pitch in the right time, you'll be done. A walkover will be awarded. That means 3 points and 3 goals. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I want to hand over to the team that is managing this event. Thank you.
A round of applause for the organizer of this tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to have a good time, aren't we? So if you're here to have a good time, I want to remind you that Cats Lounge is still offering the usuals. I'm seeing quite a number of people without a drink. Now, you know, you can call a waitress or a waiter close to you, get yourself served with the kitchen specials and also the bar usuals from Cats Lounge. This is quite a beautiful place. While you stay in Hoima this weekend, you can make this your favorite hangout and be here every other day. Now, also to remind you about what's happening, we are streaming live on Kitara TV and also Kawalega TV. The gentleman right here is called Mosty, and the gentleman right there is called Julius. Now, before we get into the draws, allow me to give it up to the people that are doing the behind job so that we can see all this front job happening. Now, the DJ on my left here is called the Amber DJ. He's a house DJ here. His name is Amber. Now we have Cuthbert Chigozi from NBS, though he's switching addresses very fast. Cuthbert Chigozi is seated down here doing quite a lot of production work. He's seated next to another gentleman known as Alberto. Alberto, quite a hunk down here doing a lot of work. There is Sandra from Kitara FC. She's also doing a lot of work on the cameras. Now we have a birthday boy. His name is Aaron. Okay, Catron in pictures. He's doing a great job there. He works with his dad though. Now there's a gentleman called Julius Kyomohendo. If you have seen those kicks on social media that include the president sometimes, that include Matia Kasaija, the guy behind the production is right there. It's called Julius Kyomohendo. Julius, don't you want funds? Stand. You could get funds and sponsors. Julius runs Kitara TV. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what we came here for is getting started. Okay, now, all the beautiful graphics. Weren't the graphics amazing? Weren't the graphics amazing? Let's give a big round of applause for a very quiet and rare man called Dummy Graphics. He's right here. Many people pay him, they get work from him, but I've never seen him. Guys, this is Dummy Graphics. I wish they would put his picture there, but this is Dummy Graphics for a very creative young man around town. Now, we are getting into the matter of the night, that's the draws. But before we get there, our organizing chairman has just told us what's happening tomorrow. Allow me to tell you what's happening tomorrow for the nightlife. Just like you've come here, tomorrow we shall have a quiz night to be in a bar neighboring Arrows Bar. So make sure you be there for the quiz night. And the following day we shall also do a pool party after the games. We shall do a pool party at Mika Eco Resort Hotel. Be there. We have free nyama and free swimming, free gym, free steam bath, free sauna and all that. Just like we've had free nyama here. All these are the privileges we have for doing what we are doing. For now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you a gentleman that is an expert in sport. He is the CEO of Kitara FC. As I speak, you clap. CEO of Kitara FC. He is a legendary DJ. He is also the captain of Kitara FC Legends. The gentleman right here is a renowned guy. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Josh Atugonza, not only to conduct the draws, but also to tell us the mechanism. Josh.
Thank you, MC. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You are most welcome to Hoima Oil City. Those of you who have traveled from far, please feel at Hoima. Hoima is home. My work is simple. I just want to conduct these draws and I'll take you through the mechanism we did to get to where we are right now. It wasn't an easy one, but to us who are technical and tactical, we managed to get there. 36 teams registered for this tournament, the second edition, and the tournament drew teams from Busia, Tororo, I could say Eastern, Fort Porto, Kabale, Gulu, Hoima City, and the entire Bunyoro. So our seeding was done on regions to try to avoid teams from the same region meeting in the same group, at least in group stages. But we have four pools, and please come and help me. We have 4 pools, and each pool has we registered 8 teams from Bunyoro, Gulu, and Kabale. This is where the 8 teams are. We have 8 teams from Kampala and Eastern. We have 8 teams from Toro region alone, and we have 12 teams from Hoima City. Now we have to balance this first, so that each group has 9 teams. So the one of Hoima has 12. So we are going to pick out 3 teams by chance to fill this, to balance with this. Then we can start our draws into these groups. I will request my president to open the Hoima pool. Mega, you can help me even open those. You'll pick one team, put it here, another one there, and another one there. Try to balance it. 3 teams. Don't open. Put it there. Another one. Put it there. Another one. Put it there. Thank you so much, Mr. President. A round of applause for the president. This is how we start now. You can open. These are now balanced teams based on the regions, and those ones which have gone to the other region is by choice. By chance. This is why we are here for the draw. We are trying to avoid a scenario that very many teams from the same region are in the same group. Now we start our draws. You can do this one. We start our draws with these groups. We have Group A, Group B, Group C, and Group D. We'll invite, I don't know which is the farthest, if we have a representative from Kabale. No one is the ABCD. If we have a representative from Kabale, please come over and yes, there is a representative from Kabale. A round of applause for our man from Kabale. I met him in Yumbe. I don't know how he crossed from Kabale from Rwanda to the Sudan border. The Magendo man. Okay, come over. You are going to pick 4 teams from 1, 2, 3, and to put in 1 A, B, C, D. Proceed like that. Pick one from there, put it in A. No, you mention. You open it and show it to. Which team is that? Play. Display like this. Okay, St. George in Group A. Pick another. You show it. Police in Group B. Kitara FC Legends Group C. City Giants. Thank you so much. Do we have a representative from Gulu? Anyone from Gulu? Okay. Someone from Tororo? Oh, Busia from the east. Busia. Thank you so much. Displayed. Which team is that? The Gangsters in Group A. Police? Okay. Group B. These ones are going to play. Masindi Corporates, Group C, and the last one. Cafe Milano, Group D. Thank you so much. A representative from Kampala. Anyone from police or anything from Kampala? Police, Avengers. Do you have a representative? Okay, can we get a representative from St. George Clinic? Okay, Kateva. Which team did display for the people to see? Sports 24/7, Group A. Hoima Media FC, Group B. Team de la Kurim Kidandongo, Group C. Lastly, Flobeto Primary School, Hoima, Group D. Can I invite someone from Flobeto to come and also? Yes. Flobeto, JB, as you come. Please help us pick 4 teams to go into this sports. Display it well. Which team is that? Mwenge Giants, Group A, Kenjojo. Busia Corporates, Group B. Boma FC Management, Group C, and lastly, Chinubi Corporates, Hoima. Can I invite someone from Chinubi Corporates to come and do the needful? Thank you so much, Bright. Next, I'll need someone from Happy Men. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Come. Display it well. Friends Forever, Group A. Wazei Pro, Group B. X International Wayale, Group C. And finally, Hoima Elite, display it well. Hoima Elite FC Hoima, Group D. Happy Men. Happy Men. Avengers, Group B. Kakadi, Group C, and finally, the corporates Hoima, Udankian, Group D. What a derby! Can I invite someone from the corporates? Someone from the corporates? Start from there. Okay, displayed well. Team Pombe, Group A. Bugiri Corporates, Group B. Kiriandongo Corporates, Group C. And finally, Alanus Pharmacy, Group D. Do we have a representative from Alanus Pharmacy? Okay, Hoima Media, come. I mean, Photo Super Wazee, Group A. Kings of the Turf, Kampala, Group B. Gulu Soccer Legends, Group C. Group C. Someone else? Anyway, the corporates. This is the corporates. Master Tinka, come and conduct this. Okay, talk to him. No, try to kill him. Arugongo Legends. Toro Corporates. Good. Chris Kawai, Lucy, DC. Uganda Conflict Society. Okay, thank you so much. Have you ever heard of a prank draw? This is what we call a prank draw. We are going for a commercial break, and then we come back for the final draws. Now that we know the groups where things are. Thank you so much.
We are still live. We are still live on Kitara TV, the YouTube channel. Yeah. So tell your friends to tune in for the. Tell your friends to tune in for the draws live on Kitara TV. You can also share the link that has been posted in a couple of groups right now. I have nothing to say about the draws because I know for a fact that something is happening. So that Mr. Mosty. He's taking close-ups of everything happening for Kawalega TV. Thank you so much for everything that you're doing tonight. And tomorrow he'll be talking to, interviewing people, capturing the moments and doing a lot of great stuff, awesome stuff at the Elite Arena at Samagi. Yeah? Abakabare nenda kuhabona. Did you bring our Antuli or you are lying? One time for Dutch Master. And he is debatably, Dutch Master is debatably the oldest member of Hoima Elite FC. Okay, let's get back to the draws, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, MC. Abantu babaire batini. Ebintu bibaire bikyande. But that was a prank draw. And it is allowed. That's why even in Champions League, they pick a team that wasn't in the group stage and say, not Arsenal. Not Manchester United. Now is the time. President, I'm starting with you. Please wake up, or rather before you go and make that you didn't open. You should have respect for the president. Please open this first for the president. So Mr. President, now you are going to pick 4 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4. Singapore. You can display them and put them in one pool. Thank you. Masini Corporates. City Giants FC. Display Batagambo Namjo. Argongo Legends. Hoima Media Football Club. Thank you so much. Mega, you also come. Come. Pick 4 teams. Pick 4 teams for us. To make group. This is group C. 2, 3, 1, 4. Display. Ex-International Wayale. Toro Corporate Club. Hoima Elite FC. Sports 24. Thank you so much. Mr. Chairman, Naiwe, you come and help me. Naiwe, you come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. And 4. Thank you, the Legends FC Kabale. Bugiri Corporates. Happy Men International. Alan's Pharmacy Hoima. Thank you so much. G-Mix, pick 4 teams. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Please display the teams. Team de la Brim in Group A. The corporates Wudan Kyan. St. George Clinic, Poto. Police Allies Club, Kampala. B. Thank you so much. Ateni Tumu, come to the stage. Come. Okay, display. Kateba Garuka, come back. Kagadi Corporates. No, you're starting with this one. Yes, we are done now. We are done. Corporates Hoima. Yes. No. What photos power Z? Busia Corporates. Confirmed. Okay, Ateva, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Yeah. Kitara FC Legends. Wazei Prombale. Beto Primary School. Mwenge Giants FC. Okay, thank you so much. Happy Men still come. Pick 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're putting them here. Boma FC Management. Friends Forever. Police Elite Club Kampala. Kenobi Corporates. Thank you so much. I want a lady this time. We need to balance this. Hello? Okay, copy. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4. Kiriandongo Corporates. Avengers. Hey, you're putting here. The Gangsters. Cafe Milano. Still I need the lady. Karungi. No, for this case, pick 1 and put it. Uganda Colping Society. Thank you so much. Team Pombe Fort Potro. Kings of the Tough Kampala. And finally, Gulu Soccer Legends. Okay. Now we have 9 teams from each group. I don't know whether our IT man can display or I can read them. Okay, our IT man has requested for a commercial break, a minute, and then he will be displaying these teams on the big screen. After the break, we are going to draw the roadmap to the quarterfinals and the semi-finals and the finals. Shortly, we are going to have those draws to know who will meet who when he or she comes out of these groups. I remember 2 teams will qualify from each group to make 8 teams for the quarterfinals. But we couldn't just take it for granted to decide who will take on who in the quarterfinals. So there's a roadmap which will also be conducted as a draw. So let's go for a break and then we do the needful. Thank you so much.
Kwegesa Katara TV Katara TV kwegesa kuma Katara TV kwegesa.
We are about to get done with the draws, and anytime from now, we're going to have
Katara TV kwegesa
in every group displayed on the big screen, and also Josh, the technical guy, will get to meet
Katara TV
as you see them live. Our team behind here, Alberto and Cuthbert, together with Dami, are getting done with
Katara TV kwegesa.
You all can get to see why your team's flowing. In the meantime,
Katara TV
you know that you get the usual at the usual prices. Beer, spirits, drinks, food, everything.
Katara TV. Taratibu. 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 Kwegesa. Taratibu. Kwegesa kumanyisa. Taratibu. Kwegesa kumanyisa. Taratibu. Kwegesa kumanyisa. Taratibu. Kwegesa kumanyisa. Taratibu. Kwegesa kumanyisa.
So we can stay here to Sigale and let's remain here and have fun because the DJs have quite a lot for us and also the bar has quite a lot for us.
DJ, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are almost coming to the end.
Taratibu. Kwegesa kumanyisa.
You are free to leave this place as you go to Elite Arena. Meanwhile, because of our IT person who is having issues with his network, I'm going to read out these teams in each group for confirmation. I'm sure many of you have captured them, but for confirmation, you need to compare what you captured and what is in the board. I'll begin with the group 1. Group 1 has Gulu Soccer Legends. Group A, Cafe Milano. There is the Gang Stars of Friends Forever, Porto. Avengers Legends Kampala. We have Kiliandongo Corporates from Kiliandongo. We have the Corporates Udankian Hoima. What are the names? We have St. George Clinic, Porto. We have Team de la Cream, Kiliandongo, and finally we have Police Elites Club Kampala B. That is Group A. In Group B, we have Kinobi Corporates. We have Kings of the Turf, Kampala. We have Police Elites, Kampala. We have Friends Forever, Fort Porto. Boma FC Management, Masindi. Adams Pharmacy, Hoima. Happy Main International, Kenjojo. Bugiri Corporates from Bugiri. And finally, we have the Legends FC, Chris from Cavalry. That is Group B. Group C, we have in Group C, we have still 9 teams. We have Team Pombe, Fort Portal. We have Mwenge Giants, Kienjojo, Folobeto Primary School, Hoima City, Wazei Pro, Mbale. We have Kitara FC Legends, Hoima City, Sports 24 FC, Hoima City. We have Hoima Elite FC, Hoima City. We have Tororo Corporate Club, Tororo. And finally, ex-internationals Weyale from Kiriandongo. Finally, in Group D, we have Uganda Colping Society, Hoima City, Busia Corporate Club, Busia, Fort Portal Super Wazei, Fort Portal, the Corporates FC, Hoima, Kagadi Corporates, Kagadi District, Hoima Media from Hoima, Hargongo Legends, Fort Portal City, City Giants, Hoima City, and finally, Masindi Corporates, Masindi. I'm sure you've captured this. Very soon they will display on our big screen, but these are the groups. Now, the roadmap is simple. Like I told you, 2 teams from each group will qualify, number 1 and number 2. Now, the procedure is the table leader from from each group will play the second runner, the runners up from the group that we are going to pick now. That's how it's going to be. And I will request the UPC man, Matthias. This is the only man who talks to his president on a daily basis, UPC, to come and conduct this quarter-final draws. We are on the roadmap to the finals that will be played on Sunday at Elite Arena in Doha. Can you help me open? Your work is simple. Pick. Which group is that? Group A. So we have Group A and Group B. So now the winners 1 and 2 from Group A will verse with those who qualify from Group B. Number 1 will take on number 2. Number 2 will verse number 1 will verse number 2. Group D versus Group C. Thank you so much. Now this is the roadmap members. 2 teams from Group A, number 1 and number 2, will play against teams from Group B. That is, the table leader in Group A will play number 2 in Group B. The table leader in Group B will play number 2 in Group A. The table leader in Group C will play number 2 in Group D. The table leader in Group D will play number 2 in Group D. Now those are the quarterfinals. We shall show the semifinals. Still will go like this. We shall going to show you the roadmap up to the finals. We don't have any other draws. Okay, for confirmation, my chairman says that we need to display these teams on the big screen for purposes of Juju. Okay. Our IT man is compiling, and I'm sure within no time we shall have this team displayed on a big screen, and then the roadmap.
Kitara TV, kwegesa kumanyisa. 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 Kitara TV, kwegesa kumanyisa.
w'omuhangi kakakuhamba isoge nyunyuzi bica byakasunda kaniwe awi murole nyange yanga barungi bakoncho murungi awi we mikondo yemikoiko nemba gisakale bikali okutungo mukazi owe kichumbi kisembo kiheba ruhanga ukama murungi dora ni musima nsoyi
Baby,
AJ, put it down. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are the groups as per the draws. As you all can see projected on our screens, an impressive work done by our team here. Thank you, Dami and Cuthbert and Alberto. Now, Group A, we have Team Creme de la Creme, St. George Clinic, the corporates Udan Chan, Kiriandongo Corporates, Avengers, the Gangsters, Cafe Milano, Gulu Soccer Legends, and Police Elites. Take me to the next slide. Okay, now to Group B, we have Kinubi Corporates, Kings of the Turf, Police Elite, the annex group, Friends Forever, Boma Management, Happy Men International, the Kings of Nightlife, Bugiri Corporate Club, the Legends Chris and Alan's Pharmacy. We move to the next group, Group C, everybody. Group C, we have Team Pombe, we have Royal Giants, Flabeto Staff, Wazei Pro, Kitara FC Legends, Sports 24/7, Hoima Elite FC, Mikiandem, Tororo Corporates, and ex-international from Moyale. Welcome to Group D. Group D has Uganda Colping Society, Busia Corporates, Super Wazee, the Corporates Hoima, Kagadi Corporates, Hoima Media, Harugonga Legends, City Giants, and Masini Corporates Club. Go to Group D, Group E. Oh yeah. So those are the draws. Those are the groups. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming out tonight, and let's get the party started. DJ Amber, let's get the party started. Okay, tomorrow the Elite Arena will have 6 pitches. The first pitch is Cats Lounge. The second pitch is Arrows Bar. The third pitch is K Royal. The fourth pitch is Cafe Milano. The fifth pitch is Minka Eco Resort. And the last pitch is Garden of Eden. We've named our pitches after bars. So let's go and have fun. Let's go and enjoy the action. And most importantly, the teams that are coming from these pitches, if your pitch is Cafe Milano and you are Cafe Milano, make sure you're not beaten. Let's get the party started, Amber. Enjoy your night at Cats Lounge. And also do not forget that tomorrow you have to participate in quiz at Arrows Bar at 8:30 p.m. There is a trophy, there is a lot of beer to be won, and a lot of prizes. So make sure you're not only the champion of the soccer, but also the champion of the quiz. We'll be at Arrows Bar tomorrow. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy our night. Let's get started, Amber.
DJ, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the organizers, allow me to let you know that the end of the draws, and we promise that by 1 a.m. we shall release the fixtures, so that in the morning you know who to start with. 1 a.m. we shall release our fixtures on our social media and groups, so that we get to know who is playing who and when and what time. I thank you so much. We meet tomorrow at Elite Arena.
As the president, I also want to thank you for being around. Thank you for participating wherever we're mingling. Allow me, with all my powers, to adjourn this sitting. Thank you so much.
a meeting with all the team managers at the beach. At the beach at 8 p.m. Before people, there is a meeting for team managers. 8 a.m. We have to affirm certain things before we start. Thank you.